OnePlus has been aggressively pushing out devices in 2022 and it appears the company has one more thing left for this year. After launching OnePlus 10R and 10 Pro earlier this year, OnePlus is said to be working on OnePlus 10T. Now, if you are a OnePlus fan, you'll remember that these T smartphone series are usually reserved for the later part of the year, but as per leaks, the OnePlus 10T will launch in July. I don't think the phone will launch in July. But why? Simply because the company is said to be working on OnePlus Nord 2T very soon. But ahead of its official confirmation, we have a bunch of details available about the smartphone, and in this video we will be talking about the specs, the pricing, and whether you should wait for the OnePlus 10T if you are planning to upgrade to a premium Android smartphone. And if you know somebody who is a OnePlus fan, share this video with them. So first things first, let's talk about the OnePlus 10T's design. As per renders available online, we can notice a gas stove-like rear camera module that we also saw on the OnePlus 10 Pro. Apart from that, we can notice a black color option, but the phone may get more color units once the phone is officially confirmed. The renders also highlight that the OnePlus 10T may lack the slider button, which many OnePlus fans love on the older OnePlus smartphones. In terms of display, the phone is said to be getting a 6.7-inch 120Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED display, which is becoming very common among OnePlus smartphones. The front panel also has a centrally aligned hole punch cutout for the single selfie camera, but we'll talk about this in a bit. Now, there's some confusion over the processor, as leaks suggest that the OnePlus 10T will come with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, while there's another leak which suggests that the phone will get a Dimensity 9000 processor. In that case, there are two possibilities. If the OnePlus 10T is an upgrade over the 10 Pro, then we might see a Qualcomm processor, as it is a more powerful chipset in the market. But if OnePlus decides to keep the OnePlus 10T more affordable than the 10 Pro, then we might see a Dimensity chipset. But in that case, it doesn't mean that the OnePlus 10T will be anything short of the OnePlus 10 Pro, simply because the phone will continue to get a Hasselblad camera, which the OnePlus 10R models lack. The front panel will also get a 32 megapixel camera, but there's a leak which suggests that the phone may get 16 megapixel camera. But regardless of the camera sensor, what will frustrate few customers is that the smartphone's front camera will be able to record Full HD videos and not 4K videos, which needs to desperately change in the Android smartphone segment. Coming to the charging tech, we'll have to see whether the OnePlus 10T will get fast charging solution. We'll also have to see whether the smartphone will get an IP rating for dust and water resistance, which is currently limited on the OnePlus 10 Pro. As per rumors, the OnePlus 10T will get a bigger battery unit with 150 watt fast charging solution, which is currently limited on the OnePlus 10R. That means that the smartphone may power up in roughly around 30 minutes, but we'll have to see for more details on that. So overall, the OnePlus 10T does look like a flagship, but will it be a flagship killer? It all depends on the pricing. Going by the spec sheet and rumors, the smartphone is said to be costing at around roughly rupees 50,000, which is significantly cheaper than the OnePlus 10 Pro that cost at roughly rupees around 70,000, and it is more expensive than the OnePlus 10R that cost roughly rupees 39,000 in India. So that's it, that's all we have for OnePlus 10T right now. Let us know in the comment section what you think about the smartphone and its pricing. Will it be a flagship killer? Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe to Fiiber and Fiiber Hindi. This is Abhik signing off.